Hello, buddy. Yo, what's up?
This is the road to the West Bali National Park. This is the jungle of West Bali. Beautiful. It's really like we are going into the West Bali jungle. Super cool. Yes, be careful, the animal crossing zone. We are so lucky that we have a car that is really suitable, off-road in the jungle. Oh, nice. Look at this. Ooh la la. We arrived.
Yo, what's
Yeah,
up?
what's up? Finally, we arrived in the West Bali jungle. Oh my god. I'm super duper excited that finally we arrived here. Long time ago, we bought the voucher because I was super duper busy that I didn't have time.
We actually
to go
planned to come here for one entire year, to be honest, and this is finally the day. We're super excited. As you can see, I also super excited. We're gonna make a super cool vlog today from the National West Park in
West
Bali.
Bali National Park.
West Bali National Park and Menjangan area.
Let's check this.
this
See the
out.
lobby. How do you...
By the way, can you hear the sound of the nature? This beautiful lobby. Oh, this building is so high actually. And this is the lobby. Ooh, nice.
Wow.
Nice building.
And look at this one.
Nice patio. Ooh, this is actually going down.
Wow. Let's see. Follow me.
Honey, run. Check this out. Check this out. How it looks, the National West Park. Quick, quick. Wow. Ooh. So this is our welcome drink. Cold tower because it's actually so hot over here.
Super hot.
Really nice. And this building is made by the wood. Very nice.
Oh God.
Explain about our map location. My name is Endang. I'm a reception here.
How are you today?
Good. Of course, good. And the first, before we explain our map location, we will improve regarding the Indonesian regulation. Is who guests will stay in all national park in Indonesia must pay for the ticket.
To the park,
To
national
the park, yeah. The Menjangan, our set location inside National Park, West in Bali. Before you come from main road, and then now you in Bali Tower.
Very nice.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner only in Pantai.
I have a question quickly. Do you have a coffee there?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, that's good. That's very important.
And we have 3 accommodation: monsoon, beach villa, and resident. Your room here.
Okay.
In monsoon.
Yeah. But don't worry, we have safari car with double deck on request anytime for free transport.
Wow, super cool.
Very
I
nice.
wanna ride that one.
Honey, are you
Alright.
tired?
No. So if you have ever been to Africa, so this is the resort right in the middle of the jungle in the Africa. I don't know. Feel like, but there will be no crocodile or something. Okay, let's go down. So this is called Bali Tower. So we have to go up and go down. Alright, so it's time to go to the room. So the option, we can go by this car like safari, or you can bring your own car. So I will go on the safari
And I will take a Jimny because this car is good. Okay, take care. This is the good car for the jungle.
Alright, so I go by the safari car. Look at this one. Super happy. And Damian is behind by the car. Well, going to the room, we can go by this car, this shuttle, or you can bring your own car. It's super cool. Look at this one. This is the beauty of the West Bali nature. I can feel the breeze. Super cool. And here we are. We arrive in the room. monsoon. Just jump off from the safari car. Super cool, you know.
Good experience?
Yeah, it's just like you are safari in Africa.
I think I have to try also.
Yeah, we will try. And this is the room. Look at this.
So this is the hotel area. Oh, they have a swimming pool in this. Nice.
Oh la la! Oh my god!
Very nice.
Oh my god!
Like I said, Sayank is a little bit overexcited, but yeah, that's totally understandable. That's how it looks. So as you can see, Sayank is a little bit overexcited, but I have to say this is, Honey, be careful, like I said, but this is very nice place on the middle of the jungle of the national park. Very nice.
They have a zero plastic.
Of course, this is national park, honey. It cannot be with the plastic and stuff, but it's very nice, as you can see. All right, so we are driving now on the top of the car. We are going somewhere to the.
We go to the Pasir Putih restaurant. It's called Pasir Putih. Oh, look at that, the monkey!
Oh, the monkey, we will show you around. However, the experience of driving this one is super cool.
Super duper cool. This is just like one lifetime experience. I live in Bali for about 30 years, but this is the first time I come here in West Bali. Oh my god, this is
so cool.
But I don't know, I'm just super excited, guys. This place is really good for you if you wanna escape for hustle and bustle life, busy life. Oh my god, this is a paid endorsement. So yeah,
this is not paid endorsement, by the way, because I know some people will think like that. No, Winnie is just overexcited, but we pay for everything. But it's very worth a try, at least once in the lifetime. Yes, honey?
Yes. Look, surroundings. You can hear the sound of the birds.
A little bit overexciting, honey. But, honey, what's happened?
That's the Menjangan. Come.
Menjangan deer?
Yeah, Menjangan deer. I'll show you. There he is.
Okay.
Oh my god. Hi. So that's the Menjangan deer. Be careful. Maybe he's scared.
Over there, can you see? I will zoom first.
There. He is.
Okay, the one deer. Two deers are here actually, small and big. Can you see that?
You see? This is the Menjangan. You see the Menjangan? Oh, look at that.
So this is the kind of restaurant. It's called somehow. I will show you quickly around how it looks, the situation. Some people over here. So it's coffee time by the special place. You like it? Are you happy? Alright, so we are just after coffee. Very nice. I feel much better because it's like super hot in West Bali. I have to say it's really hot.
Yeah. So.
Oh, sorry, that's the sound of something.
We will go to the jetty where we can swim, where we can enjoy our time, you know, by the beach, because in here the beach they are a little bit rocky. So
yeah, there's kind of rocks over there, and also I bring the drone.
Yeah.
So I hope so I can fly here. This is very peaceful area, I have to say, and this is like a beach and mangrove. This is very nice. Nice. So this is like a bridge. The mangrove is something like this, if you never saw that. So that's how it looks. On the other side, Sayank is coming here. There are boats around.
Super cool.
Nice, yeah? Also behind us, as you can see, some islands and landscapes and everything. It's quite difficult to show you that from the land, but I have a drone. I hope so I can fly here and check this out. I think it will be now. guy on the boat with the beautiful landscape, as you can see. Okay, the weather has changed. It's rainy. Lucky as I just landed the drone just literally 2 minutes ago, and there are deers over here. Check this out. This one. Wow, the deers coming. Yeah, you have to be quiet. Hello. Hello, buddy. Yo, what's up? Honey, I found a nice menjangandirnya here, you know.
Really? Look at that!
Everywhere here are the deers.
Big rain.
Big rain. Look, check this out.
Hey, it's raining lah.
Huh?
It's raining lah.
Yeah, it's raining. This is like a jungle. What do you expect? Tropical rain. It's very warm actually, you know.
Yeah, so I'll just show you around the, what is it, hotel. So this room is Monsoon Deluxe. I will show you how it is. Beautiful, yeah? Really nice. Can you hear the sound of the bird? The birds are saying hello to you guys.
Our ride arrived for today. Winnie's favorite car just after Jimny. Just simply cleaning after rain before ride. Safety first, of course. So cool. Even more cooler as it's so quiet here. I mean, not so many people, but animals, yes. So this is the another shot of the Menjangan deers just next to the beach, ocean view. Sayang, are you happy?
Yes. Oh my goodness. This is very cool experience. Look at the deer. So the experience like when you see the deer who lives in the nature way, it's amazing. Super cool.
Super cool.
Look at them. Look at them.
Alright, so is there another time to explore other part of the area over here, and there also I fly drone and I saw as this is nice place beachfront. Maybe we're gonna have another coffee or maybe even dinner, early dinner there. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
We will see. But anyway, everywhere where you work here, you can hear something, some kind of animals, maybe tigers.
No, there's no tiger.
No more, unfortunately. 100 years ago, yes, but not now. But deers, scorpions, snakes, mosquitoes, a lot of mosquitoes.
This part of, oh my god, where you can breathe freely, you know, the smell of the ocean after the rain. Oh my god, so beautiful. I'm gonna show you, that's the Ijen mountain in East Bali, so we can clearly see from here.
Over there, this is the Ijen active volcano. Honey, give me hand. Give me, oh. Okay, let's go. There are some monkeys over here, so also have to be careful. Very nice experience. Did you hear that? Okay, so we are walking on the middle of the national park jungle, actually somewhere I don't know, and we got a little bit lost looking for the place, but all right, eventually after walking I don't know how many kilometers we managed to come to this place. Octagon sounds American, but it's not. Beach club.
Oh, look at them.
Alright, so after walking so many kilometers, they said as we have to, they have a special package for outside guests because we stay in hotel next door.
Yeah,
so
we stay in the Menjangan, and then this restaurant belongs to Pelataran Menjangan. And then yeah, for they have a like a policy that if you are coming from the outside guys, you have to spend minimum 350k per pax. Food only.
Food only, so plus drinks and everything will be about 1 million for dinner. And we decided to come back to our restaurant. All right.
Oh yeah, it's too much.
It's just too much, you know, and it's
Yeah, if I calculate the money, it's just like you know, like we paid for the hotel is just for $50 per night.
yeah, which is
around
700 something, 700 or 750, which is $50, and this dinner will cost us $70, and it's
Yeah,
like
this dinner will cost us 1 million. So
yeah,
it's over budget.
over budget.
They have a nice kind of a restaurant with the swimming pool facing the ocean. Very nice.
But also empty actually, and we will be only one guest, and I'm pretty sure know why it's like that actually.
It's over our budget.
Over our budget anyway.
So let's go back to the
Our place. Jesus, can you see the nature over there? Where is the monkey?
there. No.
I lost them, but anyway, that was the monkey.
It's Bali starling.
Yes, Bali starling in the nature.
see?
Check this out.
It's
Here
Bali
we go.
starling.
Wow. So cool, honey. Are you happy?
Oh, yeah. And
The water down here looks like
can you hear
this.
the sound of the Bali starling?
They are flying somewhere around. Okay, we arrived to the restaurant. It's beautiful restaurant, still empty, so it's perfect time for recording. You know how is it? Sometimes people don't wish to record them. Mount Ijen in Java over there. And we will have a dinner today. After walking so bad, get lost and everything, so much emotions.
This place is much cheaper lah.
This is not any kind of paid endorsement, but you know how is it lah.
Yeah.
Very
So
nice.
we didn't have a, you know, because we stay in the Manjangan resort, we didn't have a minimum spend lah.
Very nice.
So I order a seafood curry with the nasi. For me, no nasi, no eating lah.
And for me is the mahi fillet with potato. No potato, no eating.
Yeah, it was raining and then I really want to, you know, eat soup. So good.
Smacznego, honey.
Dziękuję.
Of the beautiful view. Really nice.
All right, I think that we already had a beautiful dinner here in the restaurant facing with the ocean.
With the beautiful
Oh my
tranquility
God.
of this area of West Bali, you know.
It's a beautiful place, so it's highly recommended, guys, for you if you wanna escape from hustle and bustle life. This is the right place.
All right.
All right.
I think that's it for today's vlog. Tomorrow is another day from the West Bali, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.
Bye.
And this is our night safari. So this is our night safari to go.
Night safari, super cool. I hope that there is no tiger.
Yeah, hope so. No tigers, so no monkeys gonna jump on us.